Denbigh as an authority recognises that we depend on the private sector to have a vibrant economy. We therefore have to change the way we work, the way we've worked in the past. Mawrth Busnes is something that we want to work with the private sector. We've set this up having listened to the private sector and what their needs and where they need the support.
Coming to these events, these lectures and courses has been fantastic because I really feel now I'm energised. I really want to take my business forward, and it's been really helpful with that information on funding, practical things like the social media. It's all been really, really valuable.
We've also got things like the Taste for Local event, which is about bringing local food producers and people who might buy that produce together to try to get local food on the menu.
From the Taste for Local event, we met with lots of different businesses from the local area, including a new business that's just starting up, who have already ordered and look to have orders long-term from us.
This is our first set of business events, really, based on our business survey. So we've asked businesses, over 450, 500 businesses actually in the county, what sorts of issues are top of their list. And we've put those together in the March for Business programme.
It was great for meeting new people and networking. From that event we've had new customers.
I'm here today at the March for Business event to find out more about finance. It's going to help me massively because I've gone from my kitchen table to exporting to Sweden. I'm here to find out about funding, particularly to buy machinery for my products so I can continue to grow at the speed that we've already started at. Businesses will find this massively helpful. I've been in the room 5 minutes and I've just met somebody from a Business Angels network, Barclays banker here. We've still got half an hour before the event starts, but I've already made some really useful, helpful contacts.